Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Inventions. If you like me, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, I'm Shruti and I talk about products related to makeup, skincare, and health. And today I have with me a skincare product, and this is actually 5 products, and this is the Roop Mantra Pearl Facial Kit. So this has 5 products and you have to do it step by step to get a pearl facial at home. And this claims to give you fair, luminous and flawless complexion. And if you go to a normal salon or a parlor to get a pearl facial done, that will cost you around 900 to 1200, depends on the salon. So this retails for 398 rupees, approximately 400 rupees. So you can see this is a very great deal. And also nowadays, as we are not in a very safe environment, that everywhere there is the corona scare, so instead of going to the salon to get a facial done, and for the facial you have to remove your mask as well, so it's better to do this at home. And if you have such a convenient kit, it's very easy to do, I guess. So this has basically 5 steps, and that is cleansing milk, scrub, gel, pack and cream. So I'll be trying everything. I'll be doing the step by step procedure in front of you. Let's see how this turns up. And I generally don't do facials much because I have very sensitive skin and I don't know which product can cause what kind of allergy on my face. So I am very careful while I have to do facials and all. But this brand Roop Mantra, the products of this brand, they really behave very well with me. So I am kind of relaxed. Okay, so what are the benefits of this pack? This one, this says lightens, brightens and whitens the skin tone, rejuvenates, moisturizes and nourishes the skin, removes dead skin cells, blackheads and whiteheads, reduces dark spots and blemishes, makes skin soft, glowy and healthy. Fine, super. So this is the packaging. The packaging is also very convenient and very cute, and these are the 5 steps which is like written over here, which I'll show you. Like, I'll do it. So I'll give you a detailed review of this. This will expire by 2021, so you have a lot of time. And also this is a made in India brand. So this says what else this has. Roop Mantra Pearl Facial Kit is specifically prepared to revive tanned, dull and damaged skin with deep nourishing properties of herbal ingredients like sandalwood, almond oil, multani mitti and neem. Facial kit pampers the skin gently and keeps it soft, supple and healthy. Pearl Bhasma removes dead skin cells, detoxifies the skin and reduces pigmentations, lightens blemishes and dark spots. I have to open this now. Yeah. I was opening it the other way. So upon opening, you can see that there are these 5 steps. I think even a kid can do this. Like, I mean, everything is mentioned so nicely and so easily. Anybody can do this. Okay, so let's do a step by step thing on face, shall we? Yeah. This is the first step, and this is the cleansing milk. All I have to do is I have to apply this cleansing milk on my face and neck and rub it in a gentle circular motion. And this has pearl bhasma and cow's milk. Okay. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh, this is amazing, amazing fragrance. So I'll just wet my face a little bit. I have applied the worst kajal today because this kajal is really very bad. Okay, so I'll take a little bit of this. Never forget to pamper your neck while you're pampering your face, because our neck is also very sensitive and you tend to get fine lines on your neck if you don't care about it. So it's very important to take care of your neck. Okay, this feels like butter. This I record from my phone, and this camera has a tendency to blur out, and I am unable to see that because I don't use my front camera, I use the back camera. So if this is getting blurred, I apologize because I cannot see that. Okay. It has been like 3 to 5 minutes. I'll just wash it off and I'll come back. I'll be back. I'm done with the first step and my face is actually feeling very clean and fresh. Now I'll go with the second step. This is the face scrub and this has walnut almond oil, and this is for all skin types. And if you see the consistency of the, oh god, I don't know what they are using in their products, it smells so good. The consistency is very this has a lot of granules, so the consistency is really good. So yeah, so I'll apply this on my face and let's see. Take a bit of the amount. There's a lot in the on the cover. Just add a little water to your scrub so that it kind of moves easily on your face. Yeah. My skin mostly my skin mostly turns red after applying any scrub, so I'm hoping the same. So let's see. You can scrub it quite gently on your nose to remove blackheads, whiteheads, and everything. Okay, so I'll just remove it with water and I'll just come. Alright, second step also done. Okay, my face is actually feeling very clean, if you can see, right? I'll just wipe off. So now let's do the third step. This is the massage gel, and this is enriched with sandalwood and green tea. And okay, you have to apply it on your skin, massage it in a circular motion for 5 minutes, and then you have to rinse it off. Okay, that the size is so cute. And this is, I guess, I didn't tell you, right? Yeah, this is 15 grams. Amazing. This has a slight green tea fragrance, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, a slight fragrance. And this gel is transparent, translucent. Oh, this has shine. This has a slight shine in it, like, pearl extract or something. I don't know. Okay, so let's try this. I've never done so much on my skin back to back. Never done so. People mostly leave their under eyes while they are doing any kind of skincare, because it is not, because they normally leave their under eye because they think that our under eye is sensitive, we should not use anything there until unless this is an under eye related product. But whenever I apply a face pack or anything, I do it on my under eyes as well, because I think your under eyes need care which you're giving to the rest of your face. I think under eyes also need care, so I mostly do it, and that's okay. This gel has almost absorbed into my skin, like a little, not fully, but a little absorbed. And I am amazed, like my skin has not turned red, like a lot red, because of the scrub. Because I think the scrub is really very good for sensitive skin people. So I think it has been 5 minutes. So I'll just wash it off and I'll come back. I'm done with the step 3. This was 3, yeah, 3. And I have washed off the gel and my skin is feeling so soft. Yeah. So now the fourth step is the face pack. Yeah, this is the main thing. This is the face pack, and this is enriched with lotus and rose. Okay. And I have to apply this on my face and I have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll wash it off. White in color, beautiful fragrance, and yeah. So I'll apply it on my face. I just add a little water because this is a little thick. Alright. So I guess okay, so I have applied the face pack, and now you have to give it 5 to 10 minutes, like 15 minutes. You have to let it dry, and my skin is feeling so cool, and there's a cooling sensation on my skin. I don't know why. This is not having menthol, but still, my skin is feeling quite cool, and it's good. Like it's not feeling. I mean, I'm not feeling bad about it. Okay, so for 15 minutes, we'll just stare at each other. No, I mean, I'll see you after 15 minutes, I guess, obviously. So I have washed my face and I'm actually amazed, like my face has not turned red. And if you have seen my videos, like whenever I apply face pack or even if I wash my face with any soap or something, my skin turns a little red because I don't know why, but I have done so many things, like I've done at least I think 4 steps in front of you and my skin didn't turn red. I'm actually amazed. This product is very good for sensitive skin people. I mean, it's very good. Okay, so now I'll just dry my face a little bit because now is the last step, and this is the cream. Yeah. So this is the last step, and this is the nourishing cream. After doing so much on your skin, like 4 steps, like cleansing milk, scrubbing, gel, and a face pack, you need something to soothe everything. And though my skin already looks quite soothed. Is there a word like that? I don't know. Okay, so this enriched with apple and almond oil. This is बहुत अच्छी smell है. Okay, so let's apply this cream. Applied the cream, and as you can see my skin is feeling so good and there is no redness at all. So I think this is a great product for sensitive skin people, as I already said, a great product for them. And also I guess my skin is feeling very soft and very light and fresh. So these are the 5 steps which you can do at home for a nice facial. And it's not necessary for you to do these 5 steps every time. Like you can either you can choose a date and do scrub, or you can just apply the massage gel and just massage on your face, or you can just apply the face pack. It's not necessary for you to do the entire thing daily or weekly. You can just take any one of the product and start doing it. So this is the convenience of doing a facial at home. Like you are your own boss, you can do whatever you want to do. So that is good. And I think my skin is looking very nice and very soft and supple. And facials are something which you can do twice a month. I guess twice a month is more than enough. So this is really good. For 400 rupees, I think this is really good. It will go a long way. Like this, you can do at least I think 4 to 5 facials with this. I guess the quantity, because you don't have to use a lot of quantity, and because this spreads very nicely, so you don't have to use a lot of quantity. So this is really good. I am very happy with this product, the results, the outcome, and everything. So you can give this a try. And so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.